today I will make this coin double. Abracadabra. Watch this. How is there 2 corners? Did you like the double the coin trick? I hope you did. Abracadabra, abracadabra, I love outside. Now the magician will explain to you how to do it. You get a random plate. You turn the plate over, and then you stick a paper. You put it on this side, and this side. So then one side is left, so through the open side, now you can put the quarter in so that nobody ever sees. Then put it this way and get your quarter, and don't show it. Just do boop, and there's 2. Did you like the double the coin trick? I hope you did. Abracadabra, abracadabra, I love outside. Abracadabra! I'm here. Oh, I forgot about the crab. Why am I on the hammer? Let's get ready for our subtracted coin. For the next trick, I'm going to be getting 4 quarters. This is my empty bowl. Now count how many I put. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are there 4? Now is the trick. I'm going to make it into 2 quarters. There's 2! Let me get them back. Abracadabra! Now I'll tell you the trick. You get clear tape, which is the good. Take 2 pieces of tape and 2 quarters. Stick the quarters on to the bowl, like this. Then add the 2 quarters on top, like this. So it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now get the bowl and I'll show you the trick again. There's 1. Mommy, I'm ready for the magic. Ah, why are you so choked? Our first trick is the added penny. Sorry.